Hey! 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 Ooh! Part two, part two, part two, part two. Right, let's go. So if I remember correctly, last time I died to some stupid... Oh! I remember this. This guy's stupid. Get out! How do I get out? Oh my god. Oh! Okay, okay, this time is fine. I just gotta run away from him like really quickly. Oh, 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 oh! Where do I need to go? Okay. Shh. Hey, hey! Oh, that's the bird, by the way. I didn't know I was gonna fight a boss. Oh, wait, what? Hold on. Hold on! Oh, well, now I'm stuck. What the hell? Can I kill it? Alright, we're fighting it. Okay, so I have a spear. What is that? What is that? Okay, it's gone. Oh, there's food! Oh, nice! Wait, am I gonna finish this part? Finally? What the? Okay, let's go through here. Probably not. Damn it. Hey! Alright. Attempt number 2. Leap. Bonk. Nice. Well done. Ooh. Spooky. I found it. I'm free. I'm free. Oh, we're here. Oh, we're here. Ah! Okay, do I go through? Oh, I get it. I get it. Okay, wait, hold on. I think I'm meant to like outmaneuver him and hit him with stuff. Okay. Okay. Nah! Never mind! I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. Your ass is fine! Come here. Come here. Oh! He's stuck! No, he's not stuck. Never mind. Wait, why'd you leave? You're afraid! Oh, I'm just gonna eat. Wait, what? Just like that? He's no, he's not. Oh, whoa. Come on. Come on. Bring it on! Move! I don't know what to do! I don't know what to do! Let's eat you first. Alright, I'm gonna throw a spear when he comes out. Stop! What are you eat? Oh, he's eating the bat. I got him! I hit him once! Did he leave? What? He left! Wait, he left? What? Wait, do I just have to survive that, or was I meant to kill him? Okay, well, I guess it's over. That's it? I didn't even kill him. I survived, but I didn't even... oh no. What the... Get out. What the... Oh, okay. Alright, where are we going now? So I didn't kill the bird. Am I meant to kill it now? Am I gonna try kill it again? Like here? Right, round 2. Bring it on! Oh! Hold on. I need to make my way onto this platform here. Yep. Bring it on. Ooh. 2, 3. Hey. Oh. Wait, what? Hey! Woo! Okay, why there's 3? No, please! No! No! Why are there 2? Ah! Oh, am I meant to run away from them? Well, I think I'm meant to run away. Hold up. Okay. No, I don't think I'm meant to run away. Am I meant to run away? Am I meant to kill him? I don't think I'm meant to kill him. I'm quite confused. Okay, it wants me to eat. No! Oh, what the hell? What? What? Wait, hold up. Why does it say... Am I meant to eat the lizard? Why is that one on the wall? Excuse me. Run, 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 run. Oh, thank God. Am I going here? Am I going here? Where am I going? Where am I going? Oh my God, it's falling. Oh, wait. Okay. Now go up here. Yes, yes. Wait. I'm gonna kill you. Oh. Thank God they're stupid. What are those? Stop! Stop! Okay. What does that do for me? Did I get a superpower? No. Oh man. No superpower. Am I going up here now? Okay. Up, up, up! Oh no! Please! Hey! Again. No. Bring it on! No, don't bring it on. Don't bring it on! Don't bring it on! Ah, man, I'm sorry. You can't climb, right? Oh, you can. What the hell? Ah, why do you keep showing me to these places? Okay, I need to get through. I need to get into that tunnel. But there is 1, 2, 3 lizards on my screen. Oh! Wait, what? No way. Oh, wait, hold up. Hold on. What are you? Magical powers, please. Why is everything floating? Oh, what is going on? I want something to eat. And for some reason, there is a lizard here now. Like, oh, I'm exploring. Oh, let's just do some explore. What are you? Alright, I'm gonna try go to those bones and we'll see what's there. Do this, I think. And then up here, maybe? I think so. Maybe. And then we go up here. All the way around. And jump this. Get up. Okay, so there's a... I think there's a spawn up there. It's this one. Nope. Why can this one climb walls? Right, I'm in. Oh, does that mean there's a boss there? Is that what it means? The blue rings. I'm not sure if I'm meant to kill the bird. I think I'm meant to kill the bird. I'm not sure. I need to find a guide or something. How to enjoy Rain World. It says play as long as you can without help. Never mind. Well, I've been here. I've done. What are you? What are you? Hang. I think I'm just meant to explore and like hide and not try and kill anything. Where are we going? Ooh. Wait, I get it. Wait, I get it. Okay, so green moves when I move, right? Let's try. Wait, never mind. I don't know. I'm confused now. Oh, there's the mushroom. I'm not gonna eat it, but that's the thing that makes you like float. Yeah, I got you. Yeah, you couldn't tell me before. Now you have to tell me now. Right, let's go up. Where am I even going? Oh, okay, so this is a new place. Ooh, I know you. Oh, please. Nah! Alright, I'm gonna see if I can kill it. Alright, I'm gonna see if I can kill it. You're dead! Come back here! No, wait, no, I'm sorry, never mind. Oh. Holy macaroni! Nope. Okay. I don't think I'm meant to fight it. I think I'm meant to. Am I even going? Where am I even going? Okay. Map. Is there something under it? Okay, there is. So I gotta explore under it? Oh, wait, but it's telling me I'm not actually meant to be here. Actually, no, I think I'm meant to be here. Alright. Maybe I am meant to come. No, I'm not meant to come. Never mind. I'm meant to go. I guess I'm going in. I guess we're going in. Okay, what's this? Can I eat it? Nothing happened. That's pretty good. Alright, let's keep walking. Oh, okay, good. Where we were 2 minutes ago. Red? What is red? Is red like immune to the firecracker? Maybe it is. I'm trying. It's scared. It is scared. Alright. Okay, very nice. Let's keep moving. Right. I think I have to go to that door, don't I? Okay. Not okay. That is not okay. How do I get there? Right. Ooh, what did he just... Hold on a second. I think I'm not going there. I don't want to go. No, I should. Run. Okay, I see red. I see you. I see you. I just wasted them. Alright, I need... Oh wait, whoa. I need green. I need green to get out of there. So green needs to get out. Hello? Leave! Right, we're going down here. Down into the depths. Back out. Oh, right. You gonna follow me? Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Hey. You dead? Yes. Hallelujah. Easy. Alright, the bird's gone. The lizard's being dumb. I can... Okay. Oh, I was panicking. I thought I wasn't able to get there. Okay. This is new. This is new. What is this? What? How do I get there? Get up there. I think I need to get on this bowl. And then make a big jump onto, yep, that pipe. Very nice. Oh, progress! Progress! Ah, that's a spawn. Excuse me. What the hell are you? How much food do I have? Oh, I have enough. I have enough. Save. Oh, yes. Ah, it's a miracle. I am so happy.